Hello everyone, this is Keith Jackson and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. In this video, we are going to learn how to solve one-step equations. And we have three big examples to show you how it is done. And so in this case, in big example one, we have r minus 25 is equal to 97. And the key move here, the key step to make here is to isolate the variable. And in this case, r is the variable. And what we're going to do, we're going to find out the magic number that is hiding behind r that will make this equation true. And in order to do that, we're going to have to isolate r again, right? And we do that by, in this case, doing the opposite to the number that is on the same side as the equal sign as r. In this case, we have a minus 25, so we're going to have to add 25 to both sides. And when we do that, we have to get a 0 right here. That's why we're using 25. Again, we're isolating r, getting r all by itself. And so when we add 25 to both sides, what we get right here, we have 97 plus 25 will give us 122. And so when we have that right there, now we can say that r minus 0 is equal to 122. So guess what? R can only equal 122. And so in this case, we know that since r is 122, 122 minus 25 will give us 97. So we know for sure that this is correct. R is equivalent to 122. Let's move on to big example 2, in which we have y minus 34 is equal to 15. Now we're just going to find out the magic number that is hiding behind y that will make this equation true. And we're going to do that by knowing that y is the variable, and we're going to get y all by itself. And in this case, we're going to pick on a minus 34. Because we're going to have to add 34 to both sides so we can get a 0 right here next to the letter y. When we add 34 to both sides, what we get is this. We get 0 on this side, and we're going to get 49 on this side because 15 plus 34 is equal to 49. And now we have this situation in which we have y minus 0 is equal to 49, and of course, y must be equal to 49. And when we plug it back into the one-step equation, we have 49 minus 34 is equal to 15, which lets us know that yes, y is equal to 49. And finally, let's move on to big example 3, in which we have n minus 21 is equal to 47. We must isolate the variable, right? And in this case, n is the variable. And what we're going to do, we're going to pick on the minus 21 here. Yes, because we got to turn that minus 21 into a 0 by adding 21 to both sides. And so when we do that, we have a 0 on this side, and we have 47 plus 21 will give us 68. And we have n minus 0, which will give us 68, which of course means that n is equal to 68. And when we plug 68 into the one-step equation, 68 minus 21 will give us 47. And we know for sure now that n is equal to 68. All right, you have been given some important information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at the three big examples. Or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of one-step equations. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.